Welcome to the online and mobile banking experience. In this tutorial, you'll learn about what you can do on the Accounts page, how to view transaction details, and perform other account-related functions. On the Accounts page, you'll see a list of your accounts and your totals by account type. From here, you can open an account or apply for a loan, add an account from another financial institution that you can transfer to or from, and organize your accounts to display in a certain order. You can filter by account type. Depending on the types of accounts you have, you may see cash accounts, which are deposit accounts like checking and savings accounts, credit accounts, such as a line of credit, borrowed, which is where loans will display, and other, which will show First Commonwealth credit cards. Credit cards will show with a zero balance. Once you click on the account, you'll see a berry-colored icon to access your credit card details. In the app, the filter options on the Accounts page appear across the top. Note that accounts established by First Commonwealth advisors through Infinex will not show on the Accounts page. Anyone who uses the Infinex app will see a menu item titled Investments. Clicking this will take you directly to the Infinex app without needing to log in again. Click or tap an account to see more details. Click or tap on a transaction and you'll see transaction details. From here, you can create and add tags on your transactions. Using tags is a great way to organize your account activity so you can easily find similar transactions. For example, you could tag transactions from different restaurants as dining and easily locate all those transactions through a search on that tag. You can choose to apply the tag only to this transaction or to all similar transactions. Note that the tags you set up here are not the same as the transaction tags you can set up in Money Manager. Transaction tags in Money Manager are more robust, allowing you to establish budgets using transaction tags to help control spending. You can also add notes to your transactions here to help you remember specific details. You can add images, for example, a receipt from a purchase. Check images from checks you've written or deposited will also appear here, and for added security, the MICR line with the routing and account numbers is not visible. Should you have a question about a transaction, you can simply click or tap to start a conversation with a member of our Engagement Center team to get help. And lastly, you also see any transactions that have a similar dollar amount or description listed here. Click the arrow to download transactions from a specific date range and to a specified file type. You can print transactions listed on the screen, and you can easily search using keyword, amount, date, or more. Or you can click Search and Sorting options for advanced search criteria such as date range, a minimum or maximum amount, transaction type, and more. On the app, you can search by keyword or tap Settings to apply filters by account or tag. You'll notice several quick access buttons here as well. You can easily transfer money, Documents will allow you to sign up for and view electronic statements and notices. Money Manager will take you to our online financial management tool. From here, you can set up budgets, monitor your cash flow, set financial goals, view your net worth, set up alerts, and using the link account function, bring accounts in from other financial institutions. This is a great way to see all of your financial information in one place and build your financial confidence. Click the house to go back. Back on the account, you can also order checks. This feature will take you to the Deluxe website to complete the order. Another function you can do from here is place stop payments on a specific check or a range of checks. Note that a stop payment is one of the very few services that cannot be done from the mobile app. Under Alert Preferences, you can add a balance alert to indicate when that account balance goes under or over a specified dollar amount and how you want to receive that alert. A transaction alert will tell you when a particular credit or debit amount hits your account. Note that these alerts are separate from the more robust alerts you can set in Money Manager. Under Settings, you can really personalize your experience. For each account, you can rename it to something that makes more sense to you. For example, you could rename an account that you use for rental income to Rent. You also have 3 visibility options. If you have both toggled to on, as shown here, the account will show on your dashboard and under Accounts. You'll also see transaction activity. If you keep Display in Online and Mobile Banking on, but turn Display Activity and Transactions to off, you won't see the account on your dashboard, nor will you see it under Accounts. You also won't see any of your transaction activity, but you can still transfer money to or from that account, use remote deposit, and pay bills with that account. If you have both turned to off, then you won't see that account anywhere and won't be able to move money to and from that account. Lastly, you can ask about your account, where you have the option to call or start a conversation with a member of our Engagement Center. The account will be attached with the message, which makes it really easy to know which account you need help with. Lastly, under Details, you'll see account numbers, account information, and activity information for easy reference. This concludes the tutorial on accounts and transaction details.